How to fix TikTok upload problem. Hello guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok upload problem easily and fast. So first thing you want to do is very simple. Just go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. After you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do here is just make sure to scroll all the way down until you find TikTok. When you find it, you have to click on it like this and then click on this force stop here in the top. After you click on the force stop, now you have to go down here to the storage. When you click on the storage, it will start computing the data number. Click on clear data, clear cache, and then go back to the settings, open the wireless and networks, and then enable the airplane mode and disable it again. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe.